Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel with another maths tutorial video today. My today's video is based on ratio and proportion chapter part 2. In my previous video I already explained ratio sums, and in my today's video I am going to explain you the proportion sums. So let's get started. An equality of two ratios is called a proportion. If four numbers A, B, C and D are in proportion, then we write A is to B proportionate C is to D. Here in this proportion relation, A and D are called extreme terms and B and C are called middle terms. The most important formula related to proportion is the product of extreme terms will be equal to the product of middle terms. Let's clear this idea with some example sums. In my first example, we have to find out 30, 40, 45 and 60 are in proportion or not. Now, to find out the solution of this problem, we have to write these two pairs of ratios like fractions, 30 by 40 and 45 by 60, and we have to find out the lowest term by cancellations. We have to find out the lowest terms of these two fractions, and we will get at last that the lowest term of these two pair of fractions are same. So these are in proportion. In both the cases we got the same ratio 3:4, so we have to write yes, they are in proportion. We can find out the solution in an alternative way by using the proportion formula. Yes, we already know that the product of the extreme terms and the product of the middle terms should be same, so we have to find out those products. And here we can see that product of extreme terms and product of the mean terms are same, that is 1800. So yes, they are in proportion again. It is proved. Let's check out another example. 36, 49, 6 and 7 are in proportion or not. Here again we are applying the proportion formula. You can see that the product of extreme terms and the product of mean terms are different here. So if they are different, these two numbers are not in proportion. Now let's find out 4, 12, 36, these three numbers are in continued proportion or not. Three digits are in continued proportion means the middle term should come two times. That will be 4:12 is to 12 is to 36. Now we got the two pair of ratios and we have to find out the lowest term of these two pairs, and we got that the two pairs are in proportion because the lowest terms are same for the both. So yes, they are in proportion, or they are in continued proportion. Now let's discuss an interesting sum with algebraic way. If 3 is to x proportionate 12 is to 20, find out the value of x. Here the sign proportionate means equal to, so 3 by x, the fraction will be equal to 12 by 20. From here we have to solve the equation to find out the value of x. Now you can see from this equation we got the value of x will be 5. So I hope the proportion sums are clear to you. Stay tuned to my channel to get more and more this like amazing maths tutorial videos for you. Bye bye.